for a beautiful creation of the nature. And the spoon of the river, you are the drops of the water.